Relatively high ticket, 646. Let's watch the Qs and see what happens here. So I'm watching the hammer forming on the Qs. I'm watching Amazon, seeing if it can hold this 3,100. We're seeing a lot of red in Tesla, red in Nvidia. My supposition is this Amazon's going to roll over on us here. If it does, I'll be in puts, guys. Qs are holding in green upward candle though. Right now, we may get a pop here. So let's see if we get a pop in the techs out the gate like we were saying. Yeah, I'm thinking Amazon could pop up to 3,120 or so, and then probably roll over. Let's just see what it does here. Tesla is dropping pretty hard here. So Amazon's having a hard time here getting past the pre-market high of 3,114. But we got the Qs launching straight up. You see the hammer Nvidia is forming again here, guys? Looks a lot like yesterday. Still 500 on the tick. Amazon's really struggling here though. See if it's going to pop through here. This is why I was not going to be in a hurry this morning, guys. Just needed to see what happened. Netflix is still trying to throw a hammer there, Eric. You guys hear me okay?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see what the Qs do here. Amazon looks like it's trying to break through, but it just doesn't look strong. Breaks 3,100, guys, I'm going to be in puts.
Qs are getting weak.
Had to try twice to get that. So I'm in puts in this Amazon, guys. Stop's going to have to be 30.97. So let's see what happens here. I don't like the candle on the Qs. I'd like to see this roll over, but if we break the pre-market low here, we're going to see a drop. And I really felt like 3,000 is a good target for Amazon today. So it's very choppy here. Mixed market. Don't lose a lot of what you gained yesterday if you're way up, guys. That is Amazon with me. You should be green now. We break pre-market here at 30.80. We're going to see this thing drop. There we go. So you guys should be way up. Still in this Amazon, these Amazon puts. It took me 3 times to get the fill on this thing today. The Qs need to roll over here though. It's still very choppy, but it looks like we're going down pretty good here. All right. So you guys should be wagering. Remember, don't give up half of your profit. Don't let this thing go back half on you. You see the inverted hammer on the cues here on the 10-minute, guys? This thing is dropping.
How do you turn the shot collar on?
I'm going to mute you, Chris.
Sorry about that.
No problem. So this Amazon trade is working. This is serious money, guys. Just like yesterday. Hopefully you guys got some of this with me. James, do you get it? Chris, you in this?
No, I didn't take it.
I'm
Good call,
in-
though.
You're in it, Tony?
Yeah.
Good job.
I'm in it with you. Sorry.
Good job, James. Look at the cues. It's dumping, guys. I can get out right now at $6,000, guys. Not bad for a few minutes. I'm getting out of 2 of those right now. Order filled. I was only in 3 contracts. I'm going to set a stop on the remainder for 330.75. And I'm going to let this one go. Let's just see where we can go with this. Guys, that was not hard. We still look weak. Cues look like they're going to drop here. You could actually probably do a late entry, still be okay, Chris. Just set your stop tight. Kirsten probably got this trade. I'm just watching the inverted hammer here on the cues. Tesla you could have picked, Nvidia you could have picked. Tech still look weak, guys. Cues break through this here, this is going to drop. It's going to free fall. Tony, you still in this?
I got out with $16 up.
Congrats, buddy. Good trade. So I'm still in this with just one. I only had 3 contracts, but I'm going to give this last one a chance to really run. At this point, it's over $2,000 a contract now. So 30.60.
I got out with 15.
Good job, buddy. We'll break this 30.60. We're going to drop hard here. Here we go. Okay, so I'm still in this trade. My stop here on this is 30.60. I'm not going to give it a lot to turn on me. Cues are trying to give it up, just can't seem to fully unload. As we said, money is moving out of the techs, guys. Took a minute for it to happen, but once it happened, it wasn't going to stop. Cues are still getting weaker. I'm staying in this trade for the moment, even though it's hitting my stop because of the cues. The cues are trying to unload here. And if the cues just drop through with this big inverted hammer, you're going to see Amazon continue to fall. We're still positive on the tick, but the cues are what's keeping me in this trade. Does that make sense?
It does.
Sounds good.
I start seeing, now I'm starting to think, okay, pull back, let's get out of this. Order. All right, I'm out of that. That was enough. Probably still drops, left a lot of meat on it, but I didn't want to endure the pullback, guys.
Good job, bud.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, real good.
That was 10 minutes. You guys should be up a buttload of money right now. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a bounce here. That was a pretty serious drop we had here. We could get a bounce here. Usually the first one's not going to be it. It's probably going to be the second one, but let's just see if Amazon does try and pivot here off the bottom. And we see the Qs show some green here. I'll be interested in taking it back up.